Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a heart-shaped mask to your videos in CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. Just open up the CapCut application and then tap on the video where you would like to apply your heart-shaped mask. Then swipe to the right until you see the mask option, which is right here in the middle. Then the heart-shaped mask is going to be here. It's going to be the second option from the right side, and this is how it looks. You can make it smaller or bigger, and you can also adjust the edges of the mask. You can make it more soft or you can make it sharper. So this is how you can use it, and when you select the area you just have to tap on the check mark, and now your video is masked. You can move it anywhere inside the project, and it's pretty easy to use. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.